What's up, brownies? I'm Shanique, and you are viewing a 7-day-old look. This was my very first attempt at getting this look that I like to call a wavy twist out, and I'm doing it over because I got so many compliments on it outside of the internet, like in real life, and I want to show you guys how I achieved this look, so stay tuned and we're going to get to it. First, I am shampooing my hair with the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Shampoo. Next, I'm going to condition my hair with the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Conditioner. Once I apply the conditioner through my hair, then I'm going to brush through with my favorite detangling brush, which is the Knot Genie. And this is how my strands look with the conditioner in. I've rinsed the conditioner out, so this is how my hair looks once that's done. And now I'm going to begin to style it by making a part going straight down the mid part of my head. Now I'm going to apply the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Oil. This is Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair, and I can tell that my hair is coated by the way it feels. So don't be deceived by how me putting the product in the palm of my hand. I am distributing it. It's kind of hard to explain, but this is how I do it, and I can feel if I have product coating all of my strands. So trust and believe that what I'm doing is not putting all the product in one particular spot. I am smoothing it over, and I can tell by how my strands feel if that is effective or if my hair has been coated. Next, I am generously applying the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel to my hair. You want to apply this very generously because this is very important to the outcome of the hairstyle. So you want to rake it through every single strand to make sure you coat all of your hair with it, because this is important for the hold of the hairstyle. Then I'm going to also brush it through to make sure I am pulling it through every single strand of my hair, because like I said, this is what's going to give you the hold that you need for your twist out or your waves or what have you. So I'm brushing it through, and I love this gel because it doesn't flake up, it doesn't get hard, it doesn't get crusty. It is perfect for any type of twist out hairstyle that you are trying to do. But I love this. I love it. So once I get that all the way through, then I'm just going to use my finger to make a part down the side of my head so I can put my hair in sections, and I'm going to focus on making sure my hair is flat to my scalp, because this is important for the look that I'm going for. I want it to be flat to my scalp so that eventually it can grow out into a puff. I don't want the puff from the start. Then I'm going to add my very own Kisse Girl hair and body oil to the top of it. This is going to give me shine. It's also going to keep my hair from frizzing, and it's also going to make my hair very shiny, frizz free. And then what I'm going to do is take my hair and press it up against my head because I want it to be flat. So I'm doing my twist as close as I can, starting at my scalp, you know, touching, oh, this is so hard to explain, but just see what I'm doing. I'm trying to do it as close to my scalp as possible, starting it there really tight, and then I'm going to add some more of the gel to my strands as I go down, and I'm going to proceed to twist all the way down to the end. And as you can see, I use my palm to add more oil on top of the gel. So you want to do your gel, and then you want to put oil on top. That's going to help it also from frizzing and to keep it shiny. Once I get to the end, I'm going to take a sponge roller that's coated with satin, and then I'm just going to roll my hair up, making sure my ends are curled around the roller, and I'm going to go up probably 1.5 inches or so. And then I'm going to repeat the process for probably about 5 or 6 sections. So add my own formulated Kisse Girl oil that you can purchase at kissegirl.com. It has 4 natural oils in it that I formulated myself. And one reason that I did not use like extra lighting for this video is because I want you guys to really see how shiny my hair is using the oil, just even in the styling process. And you'll see how it looks once the style is complete. But yeah, so you just go ahead, twist your hair up, add a little more gel. You should have some oil like in the palm of your hand that you can rub and add to each twist as you go down. And then you're going to add your roller to the end. And I'm going to repeat this process until all of my hair has been twisted. And as you can see, that's the leave-in, the white that you see. I like to go run my fingers down my strand to kind of rub that in. So keep repeating the process until you're all done. Once I have all of my rollers in, this is very important too for keeping your hair flat up at the crown. I use this wave cap that has the tail on it. I place it on the top of my head as tight and snug as I can and wrap it around. And I pull to make sure it's tight. It's pressing my head all the way down as tight as you can stand it. And then I'm going to sit up under the dryer for about an hour or hour and a half or however long you have, or you can just let your hair air dry. I'm going to sit under the dryer, and then I'm going to keep this in throughout the night. So it's the next morning and I lost one of my rollers while I was sleeping, but hey, it's all good. My end is curled, so we should be good to go. So I'm just going to remove my wave cap, and then I'm going to just start taking the rollers out of my hair. So removing my rollers, and then I'm going to take some of my Kisse Girl oil and I'm going to apply it as I am taking down my twist. And I want you to see how shiny my hair becomes applying the oil. You see that? I don't have any special lighting like I told y'all before, because you know some people say, oh, it's the light that's making it look shiny. No, it's the oil. It's the oil bringing me the shine. It's coming through, coming through. So yeah, like I said, you can purchase this. This is actually my top selling product, doing really well. We just launched February of this year, and I'm so very excited about it. So I'm applying this to all of my twists before I take them out, and then I'm going to apply it as I'm taking them out. And like I said, this is going to prevent frizz and make my hair very shiny. It's also great to use on to massaging your scalp as hair growth oil. And my husband loves to use it on his beard and mustache as well. So it's an all-purpose oil. It's also great for your skin, as that nice shine like baby oil used to do, but it's actually good for you because all the oils are natural. And it keeps you from being dry, not just your hair, but also your skin. So as you can see, I'm taking my twist out, and my results are fabulous, just fabulous. This is like my favorite hairstyle to wear now. It really is, and I'm so excited about it. So this is how it looks fresh. You know, I showed you in the beginning how it looks a week old. So I love wearing this, and at night, the way I maintain it is I just take it into 4 sections. I twist each section, put a roller on it. I don't have to apply any more gel, no more leave-in, any of that. I just continue to apply the oil on it to keep it from frizzing up every day or every other day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you get the results that you're looking for. My t-shirt says, relax my hair, the devil is a lie. I got this from a lady on Instagram. Her Instagram is the devil is a lie. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye, brownies. Gotta get that kissy kiss in. Yeah.